Supreme Court fails to release certified copy of its ruling on Nnamdi Kanu, delays our further application. Lawyer Ejimako speaks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovely people, lovers of freedom all over the world. Wherever you're joining us from today, you're highly welcome to this wonderful YouTube platform that gives you the updated news and information on things happening in Biafran land. Please subscribe to this channel if you always want the legit news, and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that you can get notified whenever we drop our news. But one thing you're sure of getting here is only confirmatory news, because we're going to give you the news back to back as it happen. Now, straight to the matter, we will carry on for you without any further delay. Ejimako, who said this in a statement issued on Wednesday. Barrister Aloy Ejimako, the special counsel to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has said that failure of the Supreme Court of Nigeria to release the certified true copy (CTC) of its judgment on the indigenous people of Biafran's leader's case has amounted to violation of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ejimako, who said this in a statement issued on Wednesday, said that it has been 33 days after the Apex Court delivered its final judgment in Kanu's case on December 15, 2023, but it failed to release the CTC of the judgment. Recall that the Supreme Court had, in its judgment on December 15, 2023, ordered that the case between the detained indigenous people of Biafran leader and the Nigerian government be remitted to the Federal High Court for consideration of a trial. But Ejimako said that today makes it 33 days after the Supreme Court delivered the final judgment in the case of the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. Following the delivery of said judgment on 15th December 2023, applications were filed for the release of certified true copy (CTC) of the judgment and the enrolled order. But to this day, the Supreme Court is yet to comply to that. This failure to release the said CTC is a flagrant violation of the Constitution that entitles Nnamdi Kanu to be issued copies of the judgment within 7 days of the delivery of the judgment on 15th December 2023. It is a fundamental right and thus enforceable. Section 36(7) of the Constitution provides that when any person is tried for any criminal offense, the court or tribunal shall keep a record of the proceedings, and the accused person or any person authorized by him in that behalf shall be entitled to obtain copies of the judgment in the case within 7 days of the conclusion of the case. To be sure, the Federal High Court cannot proceed with consideration of any trial without the certified judgment and enrolled order. Similarly, Kanu's lawyer cannot proceed with his defense without the CTC of the said judgment and the order. And that is that on that critical issue. If there is one thing I have to say here is the fact that Nigerian government will always keep, stepping on their own feet. It is only in Nigeria that a court of competent jurisdiction that is meant, to be leading by example, that is obeying the laws guiding the country. The same court we keep violating their own laws. And yet nobody is actually saying this. And this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, Onyendu's case, has actually, it has exposed the Nigerian judiciary and how they've been handling, issues of freedom fighters. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of conscience. Do not forget that. He is a hero in Biafran land. And the Nigerian government has done everything possible, to make sure that they deny him justice. They deny him that freedom. Their game plan always, is just to delay the freedom of Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So delaying his freedom automatically denies him freedom. You see, the game plan, this is how Nigerian government works. So the CTC is a very important copy, a very important document, and they know how important this certified true copy CTC is. And they know that that case cannot continue without that document. That is why, they are keeping it. They don't want to give it out. Furthermore, they want to keep delaying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Simon Ekpa was saying things against the DOS, or rather, he wasn't even saying things against the DOS. He exposed the DOS, in the ways, and the other lawyer, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, in the way they failed to handle the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. People said a lot of things against him, and all that. But the reality is that Simon Ekpa actually knows what he's saying. I'll keep on highlighting him because, that guy has actually proven, to the world and to Biafrans that he is one smart person that cannot be toyed with easily. He is a combination of smartness and fire joined together. Ịchọrọ nke woto gara gara, ya enye gị gara gara. Ịchọkwara ịka amụ dan ka eme nke akwụkwọ, ya egbuwara gị otu ife ji na-eme. That is the kind of person he is. And he's not a person that you just toy with easily, no. So, the Nigerian government needs to do better. They really need to do better. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case have exposed all of them, and it will keep on exposing them because they have failed, and they will continue to fail. The judiciary has failed. The judiciary used to be, a place where the common man hides, because we know that you will be saved. But not anymore. The elite has taken over. A lot of issues here and there in the judiciary. A lot of insincerity. Just look at the government. Why is Nnamdi Kanu still under the DSS custody till now? Let's even start with that. How? Why? Why? But, the judiciary, they will always give us a reason. But yet they keep on stepping on their foot by disobeying their own judgment, disobeying their laws. Well, that is it on the news we will carry on for you today. Each time I talk about the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I feel sad because it has actually taken a while. And I remember, the kind of things he's going through under the DSS custody, the kind of inhuman treatment, people insulting him, people, riffraffs who never reach in level. People don't even know how that man is being loved, by Biafrans. They see him as a hero. That's all it be today. Thank you once again for joining us on this wonderful YouTube channel. Please do not forget them. Now for here, we'd always give you the back-to-back news and information. The best you can do is to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned to get updated news and information. Thank you and God bless you. Amen.